Welcome to BVG Automotive. This is the 2015 BMW i3 Auto 5DR, finished in elegant silver with a modern and minimalist cloth interior. A futuristic and efficient city car designed to deliver electric driving with premium BMW quality. From the side, you'll notice the eye-catching design, rear-hinged back doors for easy access, and 19-inch alloy wheels that keep it light and agile. Electric folding mirrors add to the practicality for everyday use. At the rear, the design stays sharp and distinctive, with rear parking sensors making tight maneuvers simple and stress-free. Powered by BMW's electric motor, the i3 delivers smooth, instant torque and whisper-quiet performance, ideal for city driving and urban commutes. Cruise control and regenerative braking help maximize comfort and range. At the front, the i3 carries its unique identity with a compact, upright stance, signature BMW kidney grills, and sleek lighting for a clean, high-tech look. Inside, the cabin feels futuristic and airy, with a clean layout, high-quality materials, and heated front seats for added comfort during colder days. In terms of technology, the i3 is equipped with built-in navigation, Bluetooth, DAB radio, and BMW's intuitive infotainment interface, all easily controlled from the central display. In the back, you'll find space for 2 passengers with clever use of room and high visibility, ideal for everyday journeys. For more details, visit bvgautomotive.co.uk or call 0161 399 1629. Quote, registration LR15 SKX to book a test drive or request a personal